This is an all stainless steel pressure gravity overflow type filler by KISS packaging systems. We've dismantled it partially because of space considerations. Now this unit was originally set up to run gallons and it came to us without nozzles, so we've added some 3/4 inch nozzles. You can see 4 of them up here. The machine's got some very nice features. It has a 4.5 inch wide tabletop chain by 10-foot long conveyor. It has a power up and down for your nozzle height. If you look at the rack there, you can see that we can lower it up and down depending on our bottle height. We have variable speed on the conveyor. If you show us right here, Jim, on the control panel, we've got a little conveyor speed, our power up and down height. We can change this up just to change our speed, increase or lower it. Now also with this unit, they adapted it for this large timing screw, which is set up and built by CCS. If you get a shot of this down here in front of us, Jim. Not to be too close. It has also variable speed. You can see we can change the speed. You come around the side here. Here's our main control panel. We're running on 220 single phase. Allen Bradley PLC. Our pneumatic controls here. On the back we have our power supply. This is our DC 24 volt power supply for our eyes and electronics on board. We have our large supply tank with its pump. The pump branches off and feeds 2 directions. It has an automatic valve which is cycled to operate with the filler a cycle time. So from these 2 sides they fed each side to try to get a more even distribution. As you can see on the manifold, there's a whole bunch of ports, so you can add additional nozzles if should you be running a smaller size. The unit is on wheels. If you choose to use the screw, you'll have to set up the configuration to mount it here on the back side of the machine. And if you come back around the front, we'll cycle the machine for you for a couple of times. Now this particular unit has this electronic eye here. Can you see that, Jim? And what we're doing is, as 4 bottles would pass, it starts a cycle. Naturally, you would this assumes we'd have a set of gating system in it, electronic eyes. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Goes through the cycle now. I'm going to show you this a couple of times, and you'll see that it's running on a time cycle. This can be adjusted within the system. You heard the pump turn off, so we'll try that again. Just show you. So 4 impulses of the eye. The pump is running now with the fill cycle. And then of course the drip tray engages in underneath the nozzle.
Next.